In today's video, I'll show you how to translate WooCommerce using Loco Translate, so your online store can reach customers in any language. The process is quick, simple, and you'll have everything translated in just a few minutes. To begin, open your WordPress dashboard. Look to the left menu and click on Plugins. Then choose Add New. In the search bar, type Loco Translate. When the plugin appears, click Install Now. After installation, activate the plugin so it becomes available on your site. Once Loco Translate is active, return to the left menu and click on the Loco Translate section. Select Plugins and from the list that appears, find WooCommerce. Click on it to access all translation options. If your preferred language is already listed, select it. If it is not listed, there will be a new language option. Click that, choose your target language and continue. When your language is set, you can start translating your WooCommerce text. You will see a full list of strings, meaning all the words and phrases that appear throughout your store. Use the search bar to quickly find common terms like add to cart, checkout, or shipping. Click any string you want to translate and a text box will appear at the bottom of the screen. Type in your translation and save your changes. Once saved, WooCommerce will immediately begin using your translated text across your store. And that's all you need to do. With just a few quick steps, you've made your shop more accessible, user-friendly, and ready for customers around the world. Thanks for watching and enjoy building a multilingual WooCommerce store.